राज्यसभा की कार्यवाही शुरू हो गई है और आज वंदे मातरम बिल पेश किया जा रहा है।
Are permitted to state their grounds very briefly. Then the chair has no option but to put the question for the decision of the House. Accordingly, I will allow Dr. John Brittas, leader of CPM, and then Sriman Santosh Kumar P from CPI to speak very briefly, 1 minute, followed by Minister who is introducing the bill. Additionally, the introduction of the bill can be opposed on the grounds of legislative competence or its accountability, its constitutionality. We should keep in mind that the parent bill of this amendment bill, Prevention of Insults to Honor, to National Honor bill, has already been cleared by this House in 1971. In 1971, this parent bill has been already cleared. I again request the honorable members to speak very briefly, as we will have full discussion at the consideration stage of the bill. Dr. John Brittas, for 1 minute.
Sir, these are my objection at the introductory stage. Parliament cannot rewrite a constitutional supplement to ordinary legislation. The bill entirely relies upon Dr. Rajendra Prasad's statement, but it suppresses the most important sentences. It suppresses the crucial constitutional context in which the statement was made. Therefore, not a constitutional provision, not a resolution, not even an assembly decision. Parliament cannot elevate a presidential statement into constitutional test 76 years later.
Thank you.
It will, sir, 30 seconds. It will, in fact, dishonor the decision of the Constitutional Assembly and framers of the Constitution. The Constituent Assembly, after nearly 3 years of exhaustive deliberation, consciously refrained from placing national song and national anthem on the same constitutional footing. Had the framers intended both to enjoy identical legal consequences, they would have expressed.
Thank you.
So provided. So my contention is that they cannot manufacture patriotism and nationalism through a piece of legislation. Their intention is to polarize the society.
Thank you.
They should
No, it's over. You have taken more time. Sriman Santosh Kumar P. Sriman Santosh Kumar P.
Sir, the intention is very clear at this point of time. This is to distract the public attention from the ongoing student agitation demanding Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation.
You have to speak on the subject. Please.
So the intention is very clear. Sir, the core point is that Vande Mataram should unite Indians, it should not divide us. And the leaders of India's freedom movement, including Rabindranath Tagore, had understood this. That is why it was confined to 2 stanzas only. These people who betrayed India's freedom movement,
Confine yourself to
why can't you are a single minute? No.
It's introduction stage.
It's mine. No. Those people who had betrayed India. I am coming to the point. No.
Yes, come.
Those people who had betrayed India's freedom movement.
I'll move. No. You speak on the objections at this stage.
Sir, the point is that now let me tell you, they're manufacturing. Sir, I love Vande Mataram, but I oppose this because they are purposefully manufacturing a division between Rabindranath Tagore and Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Minister. Nothing? Okay. You want to say something?
मैं स्पष्ट रूप से कहना चाहता हूँ कि यह हमारे विपक्ष के विकास जी और जो भी विरोध कर रहे हैं वो गुमराह कर रहे हैं। 24 जनवरी 1950 को माननीय डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी ने कहा था कि राष्ट्रीय जनगणमन के सम्मान ही सम्मान दिया जाएगा। राष्ट्रीय राष्ट्रीय गीत को और यह गुमराह कर रहे हैं, इसे मैं अनुरोध करता हूं कि इस पे
Thank you. Now the question is that the leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Sri Nityanand Rai.
माननीय महोदय, मैं विधेयक पुनर्स्थापित करता हूं।
You introduce the bill. Thank you. माननीय सदस्यगण, कृपया अपनी जगह बैठे, बहस चलने दें। Please, the House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. on Monday, the 27th July 2026.